As a preparation for the upcoming holidays, the National Capital Region Police Office, or the NCRPO, is set to raise its alert status and deploy over 14,000 personnel in Metro Manila. Ryan Lesigas has more.
In preparation for the start of Simbang Gabi, the National Capital Region Police Office, or NCRPO, will raise its alert level to full alert status. This aims to ensure public security for the upcoming holiday season. According to NCRPO Director Police Major General Anthony Abirin, the NCRPO is currently on heightened alert status. The NCRPO will deploy 14,000 police officers as part of the 70,000 police personnel to be deployed nationwide. Among the areas police will monitor are places of worship, markets, parks, leisure areas, and transport hubs such as airports and seaports. Meanwhile, around 300 police officers, including K9 units, will also be deployed to train stations. This is to ensure that no suspicious items will slip through and mix with passengers.
Dalawa po, sa rail station po, magtatalaga po tayo ng dalawang pulis po kasi may kasama na rin po silang gwardiya doon. At saka mga, I understand, nag-deploy din po ata yung Philippine Coast Guard sa mga MRTs and LRTs.
For now, Aberin said they have not received any augmentation from other regions. He said they have not monitored any security threats for the long holiday break.
Based po sa latest threat assessment po natin ay wala naman po tayong nare-receive na threat po sa security po dito sa NCR. But just the same, hindi po tayo nagpapakampante. Tuloy-tuloy po yung intelligence monitoring po natin in coordination po and in collaboration po sa other intelligence unit po ng Armed Forces of the Philippines and other law enforcement agencies.
The NCRPO reminds the public to be cautious of criminals who take advantage of this season to victimize and exploit others.
Sa mga kababayan po natin na lalabas po ng kanilang kabahayan para po mag-shopping or mag-enjoy po sa holiday season, paalala lang po natin na wag na po tayong magsuot ng mga mamahaling kagamitan or magdala ng mga mamahaling bagay. And sana po palagi po tayong alerto at mapagmatsyag po sa ating kapaligiran.
Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.